When you search for laser dry fire training systems, everything looks the same: red dots, plastic targets, and vague claims about improving accuracy. But once you start using them, the real differences show up fast. Some give instant feedback, others barely work in daylight, and a few actually make practice feel like the range. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually helps you shoot better. Product number 1, ZBULAR 3rd Gen Laser Target. First up is the ZBULAR 3rd Generation Dry Fire Training System. This one caught my eye because it's one of the most affordable complete setups under $50, and over 500 people bought it last month. It comes with a compact white plastic target, a 9mm laser cartridge, and uses Type-C charging, a nice modern touch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The digital steel audio feedback gives you that satisfying ding when you hit the target, which helps build muscle memory and confirms good shots without needing to check a phone app. The LED display shows your score, and you can adjust volume and brightness depending on your room lighting. Plus, it works with multiple calibers like 9.22 LR and .223, great if you train with more than one gun. The magnetic mount and screw hole let you stick it on a safe, table, or even a fridge for quick setup. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit flimsy, and honestly, if you drop it, it might not survive. Also, the laser cartridge isn't the brightest. In a sunlit room, you might struggle to see the dot clearly. But for under $45, it's hard to beat as an entry-level system. This is perfect for you if you're new to dry fire training and want a simple, affordable way to start practicing at home. Skip this one if you train in bright environments or want advanced scoring modes. For the price, it delivers solid value. Product number 2, ARK Sight Smart Training Cartridge. Next is the ARK Sight 9mm Dry Fire Training Cartridge, and don't let the name fool you, this isn't just a laser bullet. It's a full smart system with 4 scoring zones and 3 training modes: normal, timed, and game. At $152, it's pricier, but over 100 people bought it last month, so clearly something's working. Here's why this matters for you. The instant light and sound feedback, plus the ability to save your last 10 session scores, means you can actually track progress over time, something most budget systems don't offer. The 7 volume levels and mute option are great for apartment dwellers or late-night practice. It also auto-shuts off after 10 minutes to save battery, and the Type-C charging is a win. Now, the big downside, it only comes with the 9mm cartridge. If you shoot .45 or .40, you're out of luck unless you buy separate cartridges. Also, the target feels a bit small for rapid-fire drills. You really have to aim precisely to hit the higher point zones. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving accuracy and want measurable feedback without going to the range. Skip this one if you use multiple calibers or want a larger target area. It's a premium tool for focused training. Product number 3, Gobxled Portable Laser Trainer Kit. Coming in at number 3 is the Gobxled Portable Laser Trainer Target and 9mm cartridge. Priced at $66, it's a mid-range option that includes not just the target and laser, but also a chamber extractor tool, extra O-rings, and 9 batteries. A nice touch most kits skip. Here's why this matters for you. The brass construction of the laser cartridge feels durable and reliable, and the Class IIIA laser is bright enough for indoor use. The target has a 1/4-inch screw hole for tripod mounting and works with most training apps, so you can pair it with your phone for visual feedback. The built-in rechargeable battery with Type-C charging and low-power alerts means fewer surprises mid-session. Now, the flaw. The environment light adjustment dial is a bit finicky. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the sensitivity right in dim lighting. And while it claims broad app compatibility, not all apps detect it perfectly on the first try. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, ready-to-use kit with extras like spare parts and tools. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise scoring or train in very bright rooms. It's a solid all-in-one package for the price. Product number 4, ROTSGNE 9 Laser Training Cartridge. Now, the ROTSGNE 9 Laser Training Cartridge is the most affordable option here at just $28. And it supports multiple calibers including 9.223, .380, and .38 SPL. It's lightweight, made of precision machined brass, and comes with 3 battery sets and spare O-rings. The flathead design improves compatibility with more training systems, and the Class IIIA laser is safe and effective for home use. Plus, it's compatible with most electronic targets, so you can upgrade later without replacing everything. Now the downside, it's just the cartridge, no target included. So if you don't already have a laser target or app, you'll need to buy one separately. Also, the batteries only last about 2 hours, so you'll be swapping them often during heavy practice. This is perfect for you if you already own a laser target and just need a reliable, durable cartridge. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch. It's an excellent value for upgrading or replacing existing gear. Product number 5, Strikeman Marksman Kit. Finally, the Strikeman Marksman Kit is the most complete system here at $241. It includes a 3-piece target, phone mount with tripod, carry case, and your choice of laser cartridge. Used by police and military trainers, it's built for serious practice. Here's why this matters for you. The app integration gives real-time shot tracking, auto-calibration, and rapid-fire detection, features that actually help you improve. The phone mount lets you record your sessions, and the softshell case makes it easy to take anywhere. It's quiet, safe, and designed for daily use without damaging your firearm. Now the flaw, the price. At over $240, it's a big jump from the others. And while the app is powerful, it can be overwhelming for beginners who just want simple feedback. This is perfect for you if you're committed to mastering your shooting skills and want a professional-grade setup at home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need basic practice. It's an investment, but for dedicated shooters, it's worth it. So which one should you pick? If you're just starting, the ZBULAR gives you solid feedback for under $50. Need scoring and modes, ARK Sight delivers. Want a full kit with extras, Gobseld has you covered. Already have a target, ROTSGNE's cartridge is a smart buy. And if you're serious about training like the pros, the Strikeman Marksman Kit is the ultimate setup. Whichever you choose, consistent dry fire practice will make you a better shooter, no range required.